Gee, that's surprising.
Well, we're on our way to County Road 2.
Everybody's going on through there to look at it. So how did Tim know? He just happened to hear or walk back or?
No, it's not in the news.
Oh, about the state forest?
Oh, I said it.
I heard it was opening just closed.
Wow. Oh my. Let's see where the line ends. Wow, there's a lot of cars.
Yeah, there wasn't this many earlier.
So, oh goodness. Get ready. That's where my friend Jesse's grandma lives.
Oh, this is
My. There was a lot of damage. I think this is the biggest storm I think we've ever been through, huh?
It was close to where he's at. Tim heard it too?
Oh, yeah. That's laying in bed. Because I could just hear that whistle. I said, yeah, let's see the flagpole is still up. Still.
Oh, wow. Hey, best be careful. Who knows when another tornado is going to hit? Oh, wow. Get ready. Here comes the... Here comes the...
They're all gone.
Here comes the forest.
There's a pretty big.
Oh ho!
Look at all.
There,
Oh, you can
trees.
see the path it took.
Oh, look at this. This is horrible.
Too close to the house.
Yeah, a little too close. Thank God it didn't get to the house.
Yeah, they cleared the road. You can see where they drug them off.
See, look at that. Oh,
Yeah, there's no trails, no more, nothing.
this is awful. I love this forest.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry.
Yeah, look at it. Just stops up.
I've
Poof.
never seen that.
Look at that.
Oh my.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
that's sad. That is close.
I hope the animals are okay.
Need to just drag our tree down here.
I'm sorry, that was funny.
Roots and all.
They never know.
Oh, they cleared a lot off the road already.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they had to. I mean, some people live out here.
Yeah, Tim said he walked.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like that.
Wow. That's horrible. Well, that's nature for you.
Please God, because I hope you're alright.
We're okay. Who do you think? What's the other Steve that calls? Wow, that's
I think
just...
that was on 2 and 3.
You want to go
That
up
was
the tree?
amazing. Well, we're going on 3.
Bad.
Oh, Steve's bed. Let's go and see then. Okay, we're gonna go check out the forest. This is... Wow, this is amazing.
I've never seen anything.
I know.
The house on C and
Got-
3.
See, there's something right there. Oh,
The
wow.
barn's gone.
Oh, no.
Yeah, just the path.
That's Mother Nature for you.
There's a dead house in there. They gotta get around.
Oh, wow, telephone pole already. I've seen telephone lines down. Oh, wow.
Tim was walking and said the trails was no more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Telephone line right there.
Drove out this way.
There's some more.
Said
That's...
he was gonna go out poker. So that was the other thing.
This is horrible. Look at all this.
See there again, pretty cool.
He was going the one you know it. You know it got hit.
Look at all this.
Wall bridge.
Horrible. I'm zoomed in.
There's something I just got the tops on.
I
Oh,
know.
look at that.
Look at all this, guys.
Up bridge.
Wow. Look at all that. It's horrible. Oh my. Look at all them pine trees. I think there was a house.
Horses.
Oh yeah, that's right. There was horses out here.
That with their pine trees too. They just ripped off the top. Is that part of their barn then?
That's a house.
Is the house okay?
No.
Well, I think a little bit's gone, but them poor people. So look at all that.
Yeah, I think we were pretty lucky.
I think we were pretty lucky too.
Even a mile away from our house, there's a barn.
It's on fire, huh? Or they're burning
Oh,
it.
yeah, let's look it over there.
Oh, jeez.
Got their barn already.
That's just amazing.
And all those new trees as well.
Well, actually, they look pretty fine, except for the fact that some of them are leaning. That's sad.
Yeah, there's metal on top in that tree.
There's,
Oh, there it is.
there's a piece. Hold on. Zoom. Don't move. There's metal right there. Right there. Right there, guys. That's in a tree. That's in a tree.
It's at a lake. Well, on lake, you'll show up cop cars and everything are upside down.
Oh my.
Police station's all gone.
Oh,
Lake really got hit hard.
that's sad. Look at that house over there.
Oh, yeah.
People going through it there.
No.
Look at the house, guys.
Well, your troubles are over. Do you see the doors unlocked?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You're welcome.
I feel bad for this.
GMC and Cadillac models. Visit OnStar.com for service length details.
This tornado isn't even a mile away from us.
Oh, like an eighth of a mile, didn't it?
Close for comfort.
I know, that's sad.
Couldn't have been any closer without getting it.
I was up to about
I'm surprised these telephone wires aren't down anywhere.
Some of them was right there.
Yeah, I mean, like these big giant ones. I'm surprised they're not down.
Why couldn't it be mysterious? Was a dog free?
No.
He's all calm,
Well, he followed me around, you know.
making sure you were okay.
Bed,
So
he went to bed.
he was making sure you were okay, because you're the only one home besides Matt. Where's Madison? Okay. How about Toby? Is he okay?
Yeah, I assume he didn't want me to feed him.
He was afraid to go see him.
I did feed him.
Oh my goodness! Look at this.
I give him a pinch.
That branch actually knocked out some of that house, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh goodness
How
gracious.
close it came, but it didn't hit them.
That was.
What's on up here? There's cars everywhere. And it's as close as that the trees on the house.
Oh wow. Oh my, Mom.
Lower my monthly payment, and I have tons more equipment. Plus, my new Sonata has a longer warranty.
All new Hyundais at Taylor Hyundai are backed by
The
American.
battery's really low.
10 years, 100,000 miles powertrain and
Oh well, if it goes out, it goes out. It still saves before it dies.
New redesigned 2011 Sonatas just $169 a month.
Could you imagine cleaning all this?
My house is level there. That garage. That's a garage.
Oh, and I had all the kids'
That's
toys.
a house,
It
probably.
was a house too.
Taylor Hyundai, where
Oh goodness. Well, metal on the tree. Metal on the tree.
credit 36 month lease, $3,000 due at signing plus
I don't think metal and wood mix.
stock number 830005. The following contains a toll-free number for individuals looking
Oh
for
wow.
£1,000 or more.
This is definitely going on YouTube. I know it is terrible. Look at all this stuff.
So close.
Too close for comfort, I tell ya. I feel like being a storm chaser. No, it's not as bad over here now. Oh yeah.
County Road 7 south.
7. We're not going down on 7. Wonder how Dylan's doing. He lives on 3. Oh no, poor Dylan. I hope he didn't die. Although I don't like him all that much. No offense, Dylan, if you can watch this.
Not very nice.
I know, but I don't like him all that much. He's mean to me.